Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about yourself in English using simple real-life conversations that will help you feel more confident speaking every day. Stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi Alex, nice to meet you too. My name is Maria.
Where are you from, Maria?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
I'm from the United States. What do you do, Maria? Do you work or study?
I'm a student. I'm studying English right now because I want to improve my communication skills.
That's great. English is very useful. How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for about 1 year. I can understand more now, but speaking is still difficult.
That's normal. Speaking takes time and practice. Do you practice English every day?
I try to. I watch English videos, listen to music, and practice speaking a little.
That's a good way to learn. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching movies and cooking at home. I also enjoy walking in the park.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic movies and comedies. They are easy to understand and fun to watch.
I like comedies too. They help me relax after work. Do you work right now or only study?
Right now, I only study. I want to get a better job in the future.
That's a good goal. What kind of job do you want in the future?
I want to work in an office or maybe in customer service. I need English for that.
Yes, English will help you a lot. Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my family. I live with my parents and my younger brother.
That's nice. Do you spend a lot of time together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every day and talk about our day.
That's very good. Family time is important. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He's very friendly.
I like dogs. They are great companions. How old is Max?
He is 3 years old. He likes to play and go for walks.
Sounds fun. What about your daily routine? What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early, eat breakfast, and study English for about 1 hour.
That's a good habit. Studying in the morning helps a lot. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee. It helps me feel awake.
Me too. I need coffee in the morning. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax, watch TV, or talk with my family.
That sounds nice. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like traveling very much. I want to visit different countries.
Which country do you want to visit first?
I want to visit the United States or Canada.
Those are great places. Learning English will help you when you travel.
Yes, that's one of my reasons for learning English.
You're doing a great job. Talking about yourself like this is very good practice.
Thank you. I feel more confident speaking now.
That's wonderful. Keep practicing every day and your English will improve.
Thank you, Alex. Nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too, Maria.
Before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases you can use in your own conversations. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is a polite phrase used when meeting someone for the first time. Example: nice to meet you. I'm happy to learn English with you. Where are you from? Where are you from is a question used to ask about someone's country or hometown. Example: where are you from? I'm from the United States. What do you do? What do you do is a common question asking about someone's job or studies. Example: what do you do? I'm a student. Free time. Free time is the time when you are not working or studying. Example: in my free time, I like watching movies. Daily routine. Daily routine is the things you do every day, like waking up, working, and eating. Example: my daily routine includes work, study, and family time.
That sounds nice. That sounds nice is a friendly response to show interest or agreement. Example: you like walking in the park in your free time. That sounds nice. Customer service. Customer service is a job that helps and communicates with customers. Example: I want to work in customer service. Confident. Confident means feeling sure of yourself and your ability to do something. Example: I feel confident speaking English now.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you feel more confident talking about yourself in English. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.